This is your CRM in Hubents, where your sales are born. Right up here, you see your total pipeline, all the value you have in play right now. Measure your business at a glance. Active leads, won value, and your conversion rate. Check these numbers every week and you'll make better decisions. To add an opportunity, click New Lead. This form opens up. You pick the contact, set its value, and the opportunity is already inside your funnel. And the best part, you drag each card from one stage to the next as the conversation moves forward. Watch, I'll move this one to meeting scheduled. Keep your funnel alive and up to date. Studerar que pon po din in tumos. From contacted to negotiation, and when you close the deal, the lead moves to one. From there, you turn it into an event with a single click, from opportunity to a real wedding. Want your own stages? Click Configure Funnel and create or rename the phases to fit you, your process, your rules. Tracking your opportunities means never losing a sale. Start moving your leads through the Hubents funnel. Let's do this.